Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2014 P389 factory built glider kit. It's got a pre-elog 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, and a wet kit. It's got a little over 900,000 total miles, and the engine was just overhauled using all Detroit components, including the head, injectors, and turbo. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around for you. Let's go ahead and get started. We have had this one dynoed after overhaul to break it in. Great dyno results. Excellent steers. So this is a Southern truck. There's no rust anywhere. Blow-by tube for you. Fenders are in good shape. Overall, the body's in real good shape. You're going to have some minor scratches and chips in the paint there. I don't know if you can really see any scratches there, but it's got a few. Typical black, going to show it. We got some rock dings and effects on the back there. Not bad for a 900,000 mile truck, but just describing it, it's gonna have some paint chips there. Like I said, a Southern truck, no rust. It's got all new drives. Fifth wheel there. You're running a frameless. Sitting on tall 24.5s. They'll scrape on that step, and then this one's bent down a little. Side of the grill surround. You look real close. See some minor damage to the tips up there. Here's your wet kit control tower. Gauges, platinum interior, 924 total on the clock. Like I said, that was engine overhaul was just completed. Great low side oil pressure, smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up there just like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.